Being a family-owned business, everybody really likes each other and we have a great time working. We've been able to grow the company significantly over the years. Hi, my name is Zach Waite. I'm VP of Production Development here at Hershey's Ice Cream. I've been with the Creamery for 21 years and have the great honor of being able to really work on the innovation of new products. I was involved in the decision-making process when we started building out this facility, and we really felt like the Coram system offered the best flexibility, easily expandable, and very easy to use for a variety of departments across both facilities. We had a lot of challenges with our old legacy system at our other building. Grainy footage, too far away, very difficult to view, spending a lot of time rewinding back through footage to try and find a potential incident. So we really were looking for a solution that allowed us to have much better control and a lot easier access to footage to help us in situations where it's needed.
My name is Jim Holder. I'm the Vice President of Human Resources for Hershey's Ice Cream. One of the things that we strive for is food safety. Coram is very helpful for actually tracking food safety as far as tracking a certain package through the building, tracking where people are through the building. If there's ever a production issue, it used to be, hey, let's shut this entire line down because this metal detector went off and it's not supposed to. Let's tear everything apart and let's waste a lot of product that could be good. So with a much better camera system, much better tracking through the camera system, we're able to make that window of, hey, what do we need to inspect much, much smaller. AI played a factor in the selecting of Coram only in the way of seeing the time it can save our people.
It makes the system easier to use on a daily basis. Hi, I'm Stephen Hoffer, the IT Director for Hershey Creamery Company. No, AI was a big factor in the decision. It gives you so much more search options than, just motion detection. Like the older systems, you get a lot of false positives. AI can track a person, it can recognize a face, you can search by, clothing color or vehicle make and model. The AI kind of takes Big Brother out of the equation because there's not actually a live person watching. You can do other things and just let the system do what it needs to do. Rollout was pretty simple. One of the best parts was the fact that we could use our existing cameras with this system.
I would describe Coram as a security system that has all the bells and whistles without the cost that comes with when you think about the bells and whistles that make your day-to-day easier.
I would describe Coram as one of the best investments we've made in monitoring our food safety and employee safety on our properties.
Yeah, Coram has all the bells and whistles of the next competitor at half the price.
Nice. I think that's all I got.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.